Hello you guys, welcome back to my unboxing video from these are the blind boxes that my husband got me for Valentine's Day. This one I wanted, and also he got me a set of bento baby. From what company? From Thingwoo's company, designed by Thingwoo's. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and open the Twinkle Twinkle first. I'm super excited for this one. This one is a We Are Twinkle Twinkle Blush Pendant Blind Box. And my bias on this one is Little Cutie, Little Yawn, and Little Superman. But actually I'll be happy with anything. And also a secret, so cute, with a moon. Oopsie. Okay. We're not gonna check the card. We're gonna go ahead and let's see which one I got. I never have a Twinkle Twinkle plush. This one is the first time and I didn't expect it to be this red. This is like lobster red. Oh, but this is so cute. Which one is this? This is a little sun. Okay. Oh, look at the diaper. They have a diaper. Look at the diaper. It's so cute. Oh my god. Okay, let me see the card. This is the card right here. This is so cute. Okay. I don't know if I should open Crying Again. Nancy, you want to open the Crying Again or the bento box first? Okay, so my sister, she said that she wanted to see the bento baby, so I'm gonna put this one aside and open this set. So actually I don't know anything about this set at all, but it's about food. It's a bento baby. Let's see, we have here. Okay, let me figure out how to open it to a fancy box so you can see it. How can you do it? Guys, help me. Okay, so apparently you cannot, so I'm gonna put them out here. Okay, it comes with 6 boxes, but one thing I don't like about this, even that you bought the whole set, you cannot have everything. The thing is that it have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 design, but only 6 box and 1 secret. I really want to pull this one out for Valentine's Day though. Super. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Oh, this one is so cute. It's like a milk carton. Oh, look at this. Even if you open this, you don't know. Oh my god. I'm not gonna look at the card. Let's see which one we got. I really hope I get a rice ball. But let's see which one is this. Oh my god, guys. This one is super heavy. I didn't expect it to be this heavy. Oh, and this one is a hamburger. Oh, so cute. Guys, I didn't really expect this to be this heavy. And this comes with a card. Oh. It's a Hamburg baby. Okay, I really want my rice ball. I hope that my rice ball is in here in this set. My rice ball. I really hope my rice balls. Okay. I'm not gonna see the card. Oh, they have a little thingy to stick also. Oh, this is a candy. Oh my god, guys. This is so cute. And super heavy. See? Okay. I love the card. The card make it everything looks so complete. Okay. Oh, it's so big. I didn't expect it to be this big. When I see it, I mean, it's kind of heavy though. I really want to pull out the rice ball and the secret. But I know my chances are slim. What is this? Oh, they all come with a... What? Oh! So what do we do with it? What is this? Oh, this is sausage. Oh, this is so cute. Oh my god, look at the sausage. The sausage looks so funny. The sausage is so cute, guys. Okay. But it all come with little thingy. What is this one gonna do? Oh, so this one gonna be over here? This is omelet or something? Oh, okay, okay. Oh, so this one gonna be come together like this. Oh, okay, cool, cool. Oh. But what is a hamburger? What is this? I don't know. I'm really confused. This is all new to me. And again, the card is so cute, guys. Sausage. Okay, my rice ball not coming out yet. I'm starting to get worried. Please. I don't want to see the card. Okay. Okay. This is the cheese. The cheese. What is the small cheese coming? Is it? Oh, dang. Maybe the cheese is not a rice ball. This one is chicken legs. Oh my god. This is so cute. And look at the face. Oh, they have different face expression also. Oh, that's just so cute. This one is like, whatever. And the card. I really like this one. Wait, my rice ball. My rice ball not coming. I really want the rice ball. Okay, please these two be secret. And rice ball. I'll be happy. I'll be happy. I'll be happy. Okay. Apple. My second favorite. Apple is my second favorite though. Apple is so cute. Let me see the card. I love the card. Oh, two small little apples. Oh, but these ones are like squishy kind of. Wait, let me see. But their card is so completed. And this one is like designed by Thingwoo. This is designed by Thingwoo. Oh my god, I love the chicken leg also. But I don't know why the chicken leg is come with cheese. Oh please, my rice ball in here. I really need my rice ball. I want the rice ball. Oh no, I got the tomatoes. That's not a rice ball. That is fried shrimp. No, I don't get my rice ball. And this is the card. I'm pretty happy about this set that I pulled out, but I really want my rice ball. But it's okay. So we got hamburger. So where's the hamburger box? I think I missed out something in the box. Yeah, hamburger come with Coca-Cola. This is so cute. Okay, my favorite gonna be apples, chicken legs, and shrimp. Oh, look at the face. Hamburger is so cute. Okay, everything is so perfect. And they also come with a thing that you can stick on your table. So this is nice. We love this. I'm happy about it. Okay, let me put it aside. Can I have a twinkle? Okay. Okay, it's not standing. Okay, I just want to be you. I'll bring you a flowers. I'll give you all my love. She Alice. Look at her ugly. I don't know. I don't like her. But I really like. I'll give you all my love. And what a frog. And also the secret. Okay. Oh no, this one is on love make us cry. Okay. Valentine's. Okay. Oops. We not gonna see the card. We're not gonna see what is the card. Okay. I just say that I don't like her. Okay, she kind of cute, but oh, no, she's not. I don't know. I don't like her. Wait, I like the pink one so much. Because you know what? I don't like the tears. That's how the tear plays. I don't know. I have a mixed feeling about this. Because this is my favorite color. But, okay, sure, I like it. Okay. Let me see the card. I don't know why I pulled her out. I'll probably gonna get hate about being hating She-Owls, but, I don't know. I don't know. I have mixed feeling about this. Oh, I like Twinkle Twinkle more to become bear. I love the little diaper. So to become bear, I really like Twinkle Twinkle way better. But anyway, I'm really happy about this. Thank you, Happy. I love you. Poo-poo. Thank you guys for watching. And remember to subscribe and leave me a comment and like for me. Bye-bye. You have a good Valentine's Day.